In this video, we'll look at 4 additional editing functions in Hive Mechanic: changing the starting card, setting an interrupt keyword, reordering sequences, and inserting a card. First, let's change the starting card. When you're in your Hive Mechanic activity, select Activity Settings at the top of the activity menu. The card that is named in the General Start card will be the card that the activity begins with when a participant sends a text message. To change the card that participants start at, use the drop-down menu for the General Start card field. After selecting the new Start card and clicking the Save icon in the top right, your changes will be live. To set an interrupt keyword, we use the same activity settings screen that we are currently viewing. In the bottom right of the activity settings, there is a section for interrupt keywords. To add a new interrupt, click the Add Keyword button. Decide what kind of keyword to use and select your option on the Incoming Response dropdown. In the Value field, type in the keyword you wish to use. Next, click on the paperclip icon and select what card you want to connect to this interrupt. As always, clicking on the Save icon will save your work and make your changes live. Next up is reordering sequences. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to the name of a sequence in the activity menu. From here, you can move the selected sequence up or down, and you can also rename or delete the sequence. Note that reordering sequences has no effect on the flow of the activity as experienced by the participants. Sequence reordering is useful for activity editors to keep themselves organized. Finally, let's insert a card in between 2 existing cards. To keep ourselves organized, let's call the first card Existing Card A and the second card Existing Card B. First, start by clicking on the paperclip icon of Existing Card A. Now, make a new card. For this example, we made a Send Message card. Then, on your new card, click on the paperclip icon and select Existing Card B. Click on the Save icon in the corner to make your changes live. And that's it. We just changed the starting card, added an interrupt keyword, reordered our sequences, and inserted a card between 2 existing cards.